Fennel is one of the most valuable herbs for treating many diseases and problems of women that you can use its sweat or infusion. Fennel has been considered for its many properties for human health and to eliminate physical problems such as digestive problems or premenstrual symptoms. Recent studies have shown that fennel is also effective in managing postmenopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, insomnia, vaginal dryness and anxiety without any side effects. Fennel can be used as an alternative or supplement to the management of menopausal symptoms or as a hormone replacement therapy. Although hormone therapy is one of the most effective treatments for managing these symptoms, some women prefer to use herbal remedies because herbal remedies have no side effects and some of these people are not good candidates for hormone therapy. As a result, the use fennel increases women's milk during breastfeeding. Fennel can prevent many diseases of the uterus, cause hormonal balance, prevent diseases of the genital tract, prevent cancer of the uterus and cervix, as well as prevent and delay menopause and premature aging. It is much better to use fennel as a brew, the amount and method of preparation of which is the same as regular tea. Using fennel as a brew is more useful and the cost of using it is reduced. Consumption of fennel in this way can also solve the very common problem of painful menstruation, which leads to frequent visits to medical centers and the use of drugs with many side effects. Sulfur and amino acids are very useful for hair follicles and this strengthens hair roots and reduces hair loss, both of which are found in abundance in fennel.